Now we're getting into the math category, but I'm gonna maybe question mark category would be better because more things are revealed in this scandal that more directly implicate the Minister of Fishery, Julius Kjartan? No, Julius Christ. Sorry, Julius. Oh, wow. Shit, I can't remember the minister's name right now. yeah, my best friend Julius Kjartan, he's the Minister of Fishing and Agriculture. Isn't that right, Julius? and he is in Sjálfstæðisflokkurinn, of course. Yes. Oh. I mean, for Christ's sakes, man, the woman is gorgeous. Hell yeah, I'd fuck her. Wouldn't you? Who wouldn't fuck her? Julius, hi. Hvað þú eiginlega hérna? Ég í miðri tökum, maður. Julius, allt í lagi eða með hérna? Ekki það! Bungurinn á mér! Fucking koma, djöfull!
Ég hef alltaf verið stoltur af því! Helvitis sjálfstæðisbelja því.
Framsóknarmaður, fávitiðinn!